ready to go? Okay, guys, fill her up.
Oh, Dad, let me help you.
Oh, you're such a good son.
Whoa!
Hey, you there, Mr. Butterfingers. Be careful with that.
Hang on, everybody. This should be quite a ride. Imperial Palace, here we come.
This is so exciting.
Oh, watch where you're going! We're going to hit those rocks!
Hang on, everybody.
Oh, that's weird. It's like the river just ends up ahead.
Let me see that. According to the map, it's a waterfall!
Hey, watch it! The bridge isn't finished yet!
There they are.
I'm working yet! The bridge is out!
Hey.
I hope you can swim!
Whew, I'm glad you're back. I thought we lost you.
Please try to stay with us. You're supposed to be our backup.
Wow.
Shh! We need to be quiet, Poe. This is the dreaded Kang territory.
Did you hear that, guys?
Why is Kang so dreaded?
Mr. Pink, please.
Kang's wolves are the most feared and ruthless river pirates anywhere.
But why?
Hello, he's a wolf pirate.
And he's known for his cunning.
Holy traps!
I am Kang, prepare to die!
How'd he get the Ming hammer?
Not so fast, Panda!
Oh, hang on. Oh, don't worry. I still got the bottle.
None of mine get it first!
Watch out!
I am Kang! I must have that bottle! That is for you, and this is for the Emperor!
Watch for the spikes!
Oh, hold on, Dad! Ah, the liquid of ultimate power is mine!
Gonna come again? I got it.
Just in time! You guys still back there? Hang on, we're almost there!
I'm so excited. We're gonna beat the Emperor.
Hey, everybody, we're here!
The Dragon Warrior!
Your Imperial Highness, it is with great pleasure offering you this.
I am Kang!
Really?
I will defeat you in the spirit realm! Heads up, Kang. You're outnumbered 3-1. Not for long! Give me that bottle! Oh, no, you don't, Kang! The power of cheer! You're no match for my hammer! I'm coming, Dad! Fools! Get that!
You can never defeat us.
Think again! Choose, Panda! Your father or the bottle? Here it comes, Dad!
The Dragon Warrior!
I'm sorry. I lost your special delivery.
You are my special delivery.
Wait, me?
Then what was in that bottle?
The secret ingredient to my hot sauce.
Dad, your hot sauce is awesome!
And your tongue is as formidable as your kung fu.
Yeah, well, I've had a lot of training. Oh, I almost forgot! Bye, guys!
Shaka